In front of me is the LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then choose Accounts and Sync. Select Google under Preferred Servers and tap on Google Password Manager. Then click on any password you wanna get rid of from your manager. Enter your screen lock and hit the Delete button. Last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully removed from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!